So we have understood how digital transformation can be meant, how it can be represented, but let's see exactly what are the components of digital transformation and what we need to consider. Most of the people, when we talk about digital transformation, would think that when we refer to digital transformation, we are talking about digital technologies. It's everything about investing in technologies, getting the most updated platforms, the most recent technologies, and so on. Well, this is definitely wrong. The digital transformation is not only digital technology, and IT is not the main driver of digital transformation. This is extremely important, and you need to understand this. The main driver of digital transformation is the value proposition. And with value proposition, we mean the real value that your company wants to bring to your customers as part of its reinvention. When we talk about value, we are talking about a new value, so a new product or a new service, or an existing value. And you need to keep this in mind because digital transformation is not only your company needs to change your product or your company needs to change your business. You can still sell what you're selling. You can still deliver the service that you're delivering. But when we talk about digital transformation, we mean changing the way your product is brought to the houses of your customers. So enabling new channels, enabling new platforms, enabling new ways through which your customer can engage with you and can buy your services. So the value proposition needs to be embedded in the digital transformation activity through its four main capabilities or key areas that we will keep talking from now on as part of digital transformation. And those capabilities are people, processes, technology, and artificial intelligence and data science. When we talk about people, we are referring to the talented skill set that your company needs at all layers of its organization to face or to manage a business need. I just said whole layers of your organization, and this is an extremely important point that you need to keep in mind, because when we say all layers, we mean strategic layer, so board, management, leadership, all those members needs to be committed on digital transformation, as well as all the layers below, so operation, productive chain, supply chain, HR. The investment on people needs to involve all the layers of your organization, all the areas of your organization. And investing in people means that you need to invest in people that have an agile mindset, on people that are thinking outside the boxes, that are able to be dynamic, cross-functional, and that are believing in the value that is brought by digital transformation. Then we have processes. And when we talk about processes, we mean the enhanced or automated workflow or data flow that is part of your organization in order to deliver an outcome. Your organization is structured for sure in thousands or hundreds of processes that are delivering each one of them an output after working on an input. And working on these process flows or those data flow or those operational flow is an important component in this journey to improve the quality of your service and to improve the way you deliver your products. We will work on the enhancement, improving efficiency and effectiveness of the processes, and also trying to reduce costs. Third pillar is, or third capability is technology. And with technology, we are talking about the IT investment that your organization needs to consider in order to respond to a specific business need. So I will spend a bit of time on this capability because it's worth to deep diving in this topic. And as I mentioned before, digital transformation is not just about investing in every type of technology just for technology's sake, just to the intention of building an ecosystem of platforms that are the most updated, the most fancy, the most digitalized. So the investment that you need to do must be weighted on the type of service that you're delivering, on the type of organization and on the type of market in which your organization is operating. When we talk about technology, we are talking about thousands of technologies, different types. We can talk about cloud solution technologies. We can talk about mobile technologies or web technologies, 3D manufacturing. We can talk about robotics, Internet of Things. It's an extremely huge topic where we could deep dive. And based on this, it's really critical to understand what are the best technologies that are functional or suited for your business. I will just give you examples. If you're working in a telecommunication industry, probably you would be interested in investing in cloud technologies that will reduce cost and also management of physical platforms. You probably would like to invest in APIs technologies. While if you're part of the OT market, so if you're in the operation technology, probably you would consider to invest in 3D manufacturing because it's a technology that will help you to replace manpower, to reduce cost, not to manage too many people. So those type of technologies are the one that would be interest of you. Or instead, if you're simply a company or an organization that is delivering a good, so a product, a mass end consumption product, can be everything, can be a book, can be a car, can be everything. Maybe you would like to invest in mobile technologies that will enable the customer to buy your product directly digitally, or even web technologies, so that they can access your website, they can do the purchase, and they can also have it delivered at home. So talking about technology, you really need to consider what is the investment that is functional to your business. And it's crucial that you really weight this investment based on the business need. Last capability is AI and data science. Now, in this case, some of you would think that when we talk about AI and data science, it's a topic that is extremely related to technology, and those two capabilities should be together. I would say from this perspective, you are probably right. This is true. But anyway, we wanted to keep those capabilities separated because we believe that the focus of those capabilities is different. When we talk about technology, the focus is the building or the creation of a IT platform and ecosystem. When we talk about AI, data science, machine learning activity, we talk about the processes and the methodologies that we want to apply on data. Data is the core of your business. In data, there are the secrets of your business, and you really need to understand how you can exploit it. And AI and data science are ways through which you can analyze your data, through which you can learn from your data, improve your processes, automate your processes, make business predictions. And based on this, you can really support the management to decide where they want to bring the company in the next 1 year, 2 years, or even 5 years. So what is going to be the vision based on empirical evidence that are provided by machine learning processes, or based on the analysis that is provided from an analysis of data. So AI and data science are components that are not essential as part of the digital transformation journey. So you can start the transformation effort just focusing on people, processes, and technology. But my advice would be that if you really want to have a competitive advantage in the market, and if you want your organization to overcome competitors, AI and data science is a component that you really need to take into consideration.